everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of creative backyard garden decor design and top 10 breathtaking backyard garden decoration ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When it comes to creating a haven of tranquility and beauty, nothing compares to the allure of a well-designed backyard garden. A backyard garden not only enhances the aesthetics of your outdoor space, but also provides a serene retreat right in your own home. In this video, we will explore the art of backyard garden decor and offer invaluable insights on how to transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking oasis. How can I decorate my backyard garden? 1. Define the space. Begin by envisioning the layout and purpose of your backyard garden. Establish designated areas for dining, lounging, and gardening to optimize functionality and create a harmonious flow. 2. Embrace the power of plants. Integrate lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and majestic trees into your backyard garden. Choose a diverse range of plant species to add texture and depth, and consider incorporating fragrant blooms for an enchanting sensory experience. 3. Create focal points. Designate focal points within your backyard garden to draw the eye and create visual interest. This could be a stunning sculpture, a captivating water feature, or even a cozy seating area with a fire pit. 4. Add comfortable seating. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture that complements the style of your backyard garden. From cozy benches to chic lounge chairs, seating areas provide a space for relaxation and contemplation. How can I decorate my backyard outdoor? 1. Illuminate with lighting. Enhance the ambience of your backyard garden by incorporating strategic lighting. Consider installing soft string lights, pathway lanterns, or even uplights to highlight architectural features and create a magical atmosphere. 2. Incorporate natural materials. Integrate natural materials such as stone, wood, and rattan into your backyard outdoor design. These elements evoke a sense of harmony with nature and add a touch of organic beauty. How do you decorate a simple backyard garden? 1. Embrace simplicity. In a simple backyard garden, less is often more. Opt for clean lines, minimalist furniture, and a restrained color palette to create an elegant and serene outdoor space. 2. Focus on verticality. Utilize vertical space by adding trellises, hanging baskets, and wall-mounted planters. This not only maximizes space, but also adds visual interest and height to your simple backyard garden. How do you decorate a big backyard garden? 1. Design in zones. When working with a large backyard garden, divide the space into distinct zones to create a sense of intimacy and purpose. This allows for various activities, such as outdoor dining, entertaining, and quiet reflection. 2. Introduce water elements. Incorporate a pond, fountain, or cascading waterfall to bring a sense of tranquility to your big backyard garden. The sound of flowing water adds a soothing backdrop to the lush surroundings. And here, these the top 10 best backyard garden decor ideas. 1. Enchanting water feature. Install a mesmerizing water feature such as a fountain or a small pond to add a calming and soothing element to your backyard garden. 2. Cozy outdoor seating. Create a comfortable seating area with plush outdoor furniture, including sofas, chairs, and a coffee table. Add decorative pillows and throws for a touch of coziness. 3. Vertical gardens. Utilize vertical space by creating a stunning vertical garden with hanging planters or trellises. This not only adds visual interest, but also maximizes your gardening area. 4. Charming pathways. Design beautiful pathways using stepping stones, gravel, or even reclaimed wooden planks. These pathways not only guide visitors, but also add charm and elegance to your backyard garden. 5. Illuminated ambience. Install outdoor lighting fixtures strategically to create a magical ambience. Use string lights, lanterns, or even solar-powered pathway lights to enhance the beauty of your garden at night. 6. Relaxing hammock. Hang a cozy hammock between two trees or install a freestanding hammock to provide a serene spot for relaxation and daydreaming in your backyard garden. 7. Artistic garden sculptures. Incorporate artistic sculptures or statues that reflect your personal taste and style. These captivating pieces become focal points and add a touch of sophistication to your garden. 8. Vibrant flower beds. Plant colorful flowers and arrange them in beautifully manicured flower beds. Choose a variety of blooms that thrive in your climate to ensure a vibrant and ever-changing display. 9. Outdoor dining area. Create an inviting outdoor dining space with a table and chairs. Consider adding a pergola or umbrella for shade, and adorn the area with outdoor tableware and decorative accents. 10. Fragrant herb garden. Plant a herb garden with aromatic herbs like basil, mint, and lavender. Their delightful scents will fill the air, and you can enjoy using them in your culinary endeavors. With these 10 backyard garden decor ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a captivating and tranquil haven that will leave your guests in awe. Let your imagination soar as you design your own unique sanctuary in your backyard. Designing a backyard garden is an artistic endeavor that allows you to create a breathtaking sanctuary in the comfort of your own home. By following these expert tips and incorporating the top 10 decor ideas mentioned above, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven of serenity and beauty. Don't forget to visit Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspiring ideas and expert guidance on backyard garden decor. Discover the secrets to crafting your own slice of paradise today. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of creative backyard garden decor design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.